Hello students, today we study about the description of some important families. First of all, we study about the family Fabaceae. This family was earlier called as Papilionoideae, a subfamily of family Leguminosae. And this group of plant is distributed all over the world. Now, first of all, we study the vegetative characters of the plant of this family. The plants of this family are trees, some are shrubs, herbs, and their root have root nodules which contain nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium and fix the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate. The stem of plants of this family are either the erect or the climber. Leaves alternate pinnately compound or simple. Leaf base pulvinate means फूला हुआ होता है which help in sleep movement of leaf. Stipulate at the base of leaf, small leafy structure stipules are present. Venation reticulate. Now we study the floral characteristics. First of all, inflorescence. The inflorescence of this family is racemose. Flower is bisexual, means male and female both reproductive are present in the same flower. Flowers are zygomorphic, means bilateral symmetrical. Calyx, the outermost herl, have 5 sepals, and sepals are fused, so gamosepalous. Their aestivation is valvate or imbricate in some cases. Corolla, petals are 5. Polypetalous means petals are free. Papilionaceous एक स्पेशल टाइप की स्ट्रक्चर है जिसे हम पैप्लियोनेशियस कहते हैं, जिसमें द पोस्टीरियर पेटल इज स्टैंडर्ड, 2 lateral wings and 2 anterior ones forming a keel that enclose the stamens and pistil. Aestivation is maxillary. Now this study the androecium. 10 stamens are present 9 in one group and 1 in another. Means diadelphous. Anther dithecus. Anther lobe has 2 theca. Gynecium, the female reproductive part. Ovary superior contain only one carpel, monocarpellary. Unilocular with many ovules and single style. Fruit of this family is called legumes. Seed either one or many, and non-endospermic seeds are present. Now we study the floral formula. First of all, the flower is zygomorphic, bisexual, कैलिक्स इसमें 5 हैं, K5, और वो आपस में फ्यूज्ड है. कोरोला वो 3 हर्ल में है, सबसे बाहर 1, फिर अंदर 2, फिर उसके अंदर 2 फ्यूज्ड. 1 + 2 + 2 ब्रैकेट. एंड्रोसियम 10 स्टेमन है, 9 एक साथ फ्यूज्ड है और 1 सिंगल. गाइनेशियम सिंगल कार्पल है, ओवेरी सुपीरियर है. इकोनॉमिक इम्पोर्टेंस, many plants of this family are the sources of pulses like the gram, arhar, seam, moong, soybean. They also provide edible oils like the soybean oil, groundnut. Some plants provide dyes like the indigofera. Some plants are the sources of fibers like the hemp, sun hemp. Some plants are used as a fodder for cattle like Sesbania and Trifolium. Some plants are ornamental, means they are potted in house as ornamental plants like the lupine, sweet pea, and some plants are used as medicinal like mulethi. These are the diagrams of its flower, fruit, and floral diagram. Floral diagram, it is the mother axis. Outermost 5, these are the group of sepals and fused. Petals 5 हैं, वैक्सिलरी एक्सटाइवेशन है, 9 स्टेमन्स एक साथ फ्यूज्ड है and 1 is separate. Now we study about the family Solanaceae. It is a large family commonly known as potato family, and it is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics, and even temperate zone. Now we study the vegetative characters of this family. Plants mostly herbs, shrubs, and rarely small trees. Stem herbaceous and rarely woody. Aerial stem either erect, cylindrical, branched, solid. Or hollow, hairy or glabrous. Underground stem in potato, like in Solanum tuberosum. Leaves alternate, simple, rarely pinnately compound. X stipulate. Venation reticulate. Now we study floral characters. Inflorescence solitary, axillary, or in solanum. Flowers bisexual, actinomorphic, the outermost whorl calyx has 5 sepals. They are fused, persistent, and valvate estivation. Corolla, the 5 petals, gamopetalous, means fused, valvate estivation. Androecium, it contains 5 stamens, and stamens are attached on petals, means epipetalous. Gynoecium, bicarpellary, obligately placed. Syncarpous ovary and superior ovary. Bilocular, placenta swollen with many ovules and axile placentation. Fruits are either berry type or capsule. Seeds many and endospermous. Floral formula: the flower show actinomorphic condition, bisexual, calyx 5 sepal and fused gamosepalous condition, corolla 5 and gamopetalous condition, stamens 5 and are present on attached to petals, I mean epipetalous. Gynoecium, ovary bicarpellary, syncarpous, and superior ovary. Now, the economic importance. Many plants economic importance. Many plants belong to this family are sources of food like the tomato, brinjal, and potato. Spice यानी कि chili is used as a spice. Some plants provide medicinal plant like the belladonna, ashwagandha, fumigatory like the tobacco, and some plants are ornamental like petunia. These are the plant of Solanum nigrum and its flower, stamens, its carpel, and floral diagram.